everyone! Welcome back to Ann Design Craft channel. Today I will share how to crochet an alpaca. If you liked this, please subscribe, hit the like button, and share it with others. Your support really motivates me to create more videos for you. Here are the tools you'll need for this video: 4-ply cotton yarn, forceps for stuffing, a 3.5mm crochet hook, a needle, pair of scissors. You'll need one pair of 3.0mm eye beads and a 3.5mm oval nose bead. Let's start crochet. Make a knot in a magic ring and do 6 single crochets into it. In round 1, do 1 increase. Place a marker in the first stitch in every round, and then 2 single crochets. Repeat this set again. You should have a total of 8 stitches. In round 2, single crochet in every stitch until the end. You should have a total of 8 stitches. Cut the leftover yarn and fasten off. Next, let's move on to crocheting the main body. Make a knot in a magic ring and do 6 single crochets into it. Here, I recommend using the X stitch rather than the V stitch so that your crochet will not slant to the right. For more information, please watch my previous video about avoiding slant stitches. In round 1, make an increase in every stitch until the end. You should have a total of 12 stitches. In round 2, make a single crochet in the back loop only. After it, begin making an ear by 1 chain. Then, make a slip stitch in the front loop of the previous stitch. Next, start the ear stitch. Begin with 1 double crochet by 1 single crochet and another single crochet on the top of same stitch. This method allows you to skip making 2 chains at the beginning. After completing the double crochet, make 2 chains, and then make a slip stitch in the first chain. then makes 1 double crochet and 1 slip stitch to complete it. Make 1 increase, and then 1 single crochet. Repeat this set again. Make 1 increase in the back loop only. Repeat the ear making pattern. Chain 1, slip stitch in the previous stitch's front loop. Followed by 1 single crochet and another single crochet on the top of same stitch. This method allows you to skip making 2 chains at the beginning to make the double crochet. Makes 2 chains, and then make a slip stitch in the first chain. Then makes 1 double crochet and 1 slip stitch to complete it. After completing the ear, make 1 increase, and then 1 single crochet. Repeat this set 3 times. Total 18 stitches in this round. In round 3 to 11, make a single crochet in each stitch until the end. In round 12, start with 11 chains. Turn to the back and crochet in back bump of the chain. Skip 1 chain, start from the second chain. Then make 10 single crochet stitches. Make 18 single crochet stitches. Return to the chain section, insert the hook under both the front loop and the back loop, and make 9 single crochet stitches. Increase 1 stitch in the last stitch, totaling 39 stitches in this round. In round 13, make 1 increase. "36 single crochet, one increase and 1 single crochet. Total 41 stitches. In round 14 to 21, make a single crochet in each stitch until the end. Total 41 stitches. In round 22, start with 1 decrease stitch. Then follow the written pattern. Total 35 stitches in this round. In round 23, here we will crochet the legs in this round. Start with 1 decrease and 1 single crochet. Change to white yarn and make 5 half double crochet puff stitch. Switch back to pink yarn. Make 8 single crochet, switch to white yarn, make 5 half double crochet puff stitch. Switch back to pink yarn. In the following stitches, please follow the written pattern. Place the eye beads on round 4 to 5. In round 24, start with 1 decrease stitch. followed by 9 single crochet stitches. Remember to skip the extra stitch from the puff stitch. Ensure to insert the hook correctly when continuing the stitch. Here, the stitch that I pointed is where you insert the hook for continue the stitch. Ensure to insert the hook correctly when continuing the stitch. Then make 3 decrease stitches, followed by 8 single crochet stitches. And end with 2 decrease stitches. Fill in polyester fiber until it's fully filled. Cut the leftover yarn and fasten off. Now the base body is done. Sew the nose on round 5 to 7. After completing the alpaca, you can add some decorations to personalize it. Here are the pattern of the cloth. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.